Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious and satisfying dish that's sure to impress, a perfectly seasoned steak with black pepper, onions, and bell peppers. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this recipe is simple yet packed with flavor. Let's start with the star of the show, the steak. Choose a cut that you love: ribeye, sirloin, or filet mignon all work beautifully. The key is to let your steak come to room temperature before cooking. This helps it cook evenly. While that's happening, let's prepare our seasoning. A generous sprinkle of black pepper and a pinch of salt will enhance the natural flavors of the beef. Feel free to add your favorite herbs, like rosemary or thyme, for an extra layer of taste. Now, let's talk about the veggies. Slice up some onions and bell peppers. Red, yellow, or green will all add a vibrant touch to your dish. Salt them in a hot pan with a drizzle of olive oil until they're tender and slightly caramelized. This will bring out their natural sweetness and create a beautiful contrast to the savory steak. Once your steak is seasoned, heat a skillet over high heat. Add a little oil and sear the steak for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on your preferred doneness. Remember, let it rest for a few minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite incredibly juicy. Finally, serve your steak topped with those delicious sautéed onions and bell peppers. This dish is not just a meal, it's an experience that brings warmth and joy to your table. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty cooking tutorials. Happy cooking!